Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Taxfix Tax App Review My Usage Experience. Taxfix Tax App Review My Usage Experience offers a mobile app and web platform designed to help users file their taxes easily and accurately. It aims to simplify the tax process for individuals and families, potentially reducing the need for professional tax assistance. Key features likely include tax form completion, calculation of tax owed or refund, and secure document submission. Their website provides details on supported tax forms and jurisdictions. Taxfix positions itself as a user-friendly alternative to traditional tax preparation methods. They emphasize ease of use and pricing transparency. No hidden fees are mentioned on their website. They also highlight their secure data handling practices. Availability depends on the user's country of residence. You can check their website for supported regions. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Taxfix. Getting started was a breeze. The initial setup only took about 5 minutes, requiring me to input basic personal information. Navigating the interface was intuitive. The app clearly guided me through each step of the tax filing process. I particularly appreciated the helpful explanations provided alongside each section. For example, when I was unsure about a specific deduction, clicking a help icon gave me a clear and concise definition. The app performed flawlessly. It calculated my tax liability quickly and accurately. I even had a small question about claiming a specific credit, and their support responded within 2 days via email, which was surprisingly quick and helpful. A standout feature for me was definitely the personalized tips and recommendations it offered based on my input, which helped me optimize my return. One minor drawback was that the mobile app occasionally felt a little slow when loading complex forms, but nothing majorly disruptive. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Taxfix. It made a usually tedious process significantly less stressful and saved me considerable time and money compared to using a professional tax preparer. That's my overview of Taxfix Tax App Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.